Okay, now we're going to learn how to do sketch mirrors. This is activity 2.19. Use the part that resulted from activity 2.18. Create a new sketch on the front plane. You can do this by right-clicking on the name front plane in the design tree or the 3D space and find the sketch icon. So we've been doing that in various ways. We've done it up here by creating a new sketch, or we've right-clicked on this, but we can also right-click on this one way over here. Okay, so another new thing to learn. Okay. Sketch one circle at the top left quadrant. It's going to be for the bolt hole, right? Make its diameter 20. Okay, that's easy to do by this. Okay, make its diameter 20 and its distance to the right plane 48 millimeters. First of all, if I hover on this, it will tell me it is the right plane. But if you didn't know, maybe you thought this was the right plane, you hover on this as top plane. Okay, I want the center to the middle to be, what did it say? 48 millimeters. Okay, and its distance to the top plane to be 111 millimeters. 111. Excellent. Okay, I'm going to save that dimension. Okay, then we're going to mirror about the top plane by selecting the sketched circle, select, and then selecting the mirror entity, which is here. And then look down here, it's asking me mirror about what. I'm going to click into that box, mirror about this. Excellent. Great. Okay, then I'm going to mirror the two left-hand circles. So I'm going to collect this one, and I'm going to hold Shift and down here and collect this one. And I'm going to tell it to mirror this about the right plane, which is here. Okay, these are advanced ways to make CAD sketches. Sometimes you'll need to do it this way. Sometimes you'll need to do it the way we did it before we got to activity 2.16, where you're just using solids. But these are to expose you to these different things. Okay, so we want to accept this, and then we want to use those new sketches to create an extrude cut. And we want to do an extrude cut through all. And we might run into the same problem we had before, but we'll find out, okay? Yep, cannot locate the part because it's trying to cut into empty space. It's because we need to flip it around, and we are good there. Let's save this, and then let's check our mass. It should be 82.83. So back into the evaluate command, 82.83. So we're in good shape there. Save this as being specific to the activity A219. So switch that to a 9.